This is Secondary 1 Honors, quarter number 4, video number 1, and this will be a review of scalars. Okay, if we have a scalar A right here, notice the direction it's going. Remember, a vector has a magnitude and a direction, so it's got a certain length, which we can see, and it's also going a direction. So sometimes when we talk about direction, we talk about north, south, east, west. This would appear to be going northeast in a general direction. So anyway, when we are doing scalars, we are extending or changing the magnitude in terms of the length. So if I say 2 times the vector A, what I mean by that is just take the vector A and we just want 2 of them together. So it's still the same direction, but it's just going to be twice as long. And so this right here would be vector 2A. So problem number 1, it says find 3 times vector B. So we've got 3B, B, and we're just going to take that same vector and we are going to take it and we're just going to do it 3 times in the same direction. And we're just sketching this, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but we want it to look like it's 3 times going in the same direction. Mine could be probably a little bit more parallel to the original, but you get the idea. So that's what we're going to be doing there. Then below number 1, you see the question, what if we multiply by a negative scalar? So if we multiply by -1. And so what happens is that if we take a vector and we have it going a certain direction, when you multiply it by a negative, all it does is change the direction. You might remember from previous lessons where we multiplied a negative and it was like a reflection. So it's just going the opposite direction, it's just changing direction. Kind of if you have on a number line and you have +1, and if you do the opposite, it's just on the other side. So that idea. Okay, so for number 2 then, on your notes it says find -2 times the vector C. So if we take C up above, which is just that horizontal arrow that's going like this, do -2 times C. So we've got a couple things going on. We've got a negative, so the first thing that's going to do is it's going to change our direction. And then the second thing is we've got the 2, and that's going to give it to us twice as long. And so you can just stack it like that. And if you prefer, you can just draw one vector. That's really what it is. I'm showing you in 2 pieces so you can see what's happening there. Okay, so now you can complete your worksheet and you're ready to do the first 4 problems. And then we'll see you back in video number 2.